Here's a game that Henry and I like to play every once in a while, where we sing songs and we do the Row the Boat activity, which is a pretty basic RDI activity. One of the things I try to do is I try to randomly change up the pattern of us going back and forth, and I also make sure that he's pulling and I'm pulling with sort of equal force, and so we're both a part of it. And also try to change up the lyrics so he doesn't get too caught up in something. And he actually was having a lot of fun with this, and he was including lyrics of his own, so take a look.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the river. If you get a little cold, you might start to shiver. What? Well, can you move back a little? Because I'm hitting the... Okay, we can do Snake Lake, but back up a little bit. I need space.
Doris batters.
Here.
Doris
That'll be comfortable for you. Okay. Row. Row. Row your boat gently down Sneezy Snake Lake. If you see Adora Troll Boots and see he shakes. I'm not sure what that meant. How about this one? Row.
One of the things I try to do is make sure that even if he's including lyrics of his own, that I take the lead with how fast and how slow we're going to sing and go back and forth, because I'm in charge here.
See some little fish, I bet that they're in school. Row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Scream! Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see... Oh, wait. What? Let's try again. Row, row, row. Mommy's home. Gently down the stream. Ha, ha, fooled you. I'm a marine. Row. Gently up Dragon Mountain. If you see an ice cream truck, make sure you get me chocolate.
Okay.
What ice cream? Oh, I hear Rosie crying.
It's octopus. Okay, octopus, it's right.
Mommy can't do any more crunches.